Hello everyone. Today we will be taking a look at how to use the preset screens and the stock screener. The stock screener will allow you to sort through thousands of stocks to find stocks that match the criteria that you're interested in for your personal style of trading. On the stock dashboard page, we have a number of preset screens already set up for you. These include preset screening filters to find stocks such as high volume tech stocks, high volume biotechs, top stocks under $10, and deep value stocks. You can click on any of these preset screener buttons to go directly to the stock screener page. The preset screens can also be accessed directly on the stock screener page here. As you can see, currently applied filters will be highlighted in blue. The columns of information displayed in your results will depend on the filters you currently have selected. You can use the scroll bar to see additional columns on the screen. At the bottom of the screen, you can see how many results your filter produced, as well as navigate to the next page of results. Anytime you begin a new screen, I would recommend clicking the Start Over button, because your internet browser may save the filters from your previous screening session, which can affect the results of your next screen. You can sort by price, overall score, sector and industry, volume, market cap, with additional filters under the More Filters list, such as PEG ratio and analyst rank. We've also added the ability to view your watch list in the stock screener format. You can access that here. This allows me to view all of the stocks in my watch list for easier analysis and comparison. If I want to screen for all biotech stocks between $10 and $25 with high fundamental ranks and average recommendations of buy or better, I would click Start Over. I would put in my prices. I would select biotech. Average recommendation of buy or better with a high scoring fundamental. And as you can see, this takes us from nearly 11,000 stocks down to 45 stocks. This gives you the ability to find stocks that match the criteria you're interested in and considerably narrow down the field for easier stock analysis. Once you have your filters in place and your list of results, you can sort your results by clicking on the top of any column. If you want to see the results in order of highest to lowest overall rank or market cap, just click the top of that column. You can also click the tooltips next to the column title for additional information. From here, you can easily go to any stock's main page for extra analysis. You can also add any stocks to your watch list by clicking the plus sign. Or you can add any stocks to your compare tool for side-by-side analysis. Once you have a screen filter set up, you can set up set it up for future use by clicking the Save button at the top of the screen. Just name the filter and click Save. You can then access this Save Screen from the Save Screens menu.